this for my friend who wasn't able to be here for the breakfast. Delicious continental breakfast. Closes at 10, so I'm just gonna eat quick because it's 10 now, and then I'll show you my hotel room. Okay, quick showing of the hotel I was in last night. My friend got it for me, and I had the breakfast this morning, and it was very comfortable. I think this building was probably an apartment building that they converted to hotels, because there's like a bedroom here, and we found this amusing, this tiny little closet that they stuck in between here. No wasted space. Nice view of buildings there. Nice living room. Nice shower in here. Yeah, so that's all good. Woo, right. Okay, but checkout is at 11, so I need to get out of here and go do some more copywriting and some voice acting. Oh, there's even laundry here, in case anyone wants to do laundry. All right, I love hotels. This wants to be my new life. I want this to be my new life. Hotels all the time.